Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about the accessing items. Okay, accessing items in dictionary. Okay, see, you can access the items of a dictionary by referring to its key name inside the square braces. Okay, see here I have a dictionary. Okay, we have to access like this. Okay, here I will take one variable like x, and see inside the by using key value we have to access the item. Okay, let's have a look one example. See here I am taking one example that is profile. Okay, profile is a variable. In that I am taking one dictionary. Okay, here name is one key and is. Okay, is equal to another key. Is 34 I am taking, and job is okay, and job is training. Okay, job is training. Okay, in this way I'm taking three values. Okay, okay, in three keys and three values I am taking. See, let's have a see how he is saying by using. Okay, by using square braces we have to access the elements in the dictionary. Okay, let's have a look. Here x I am taking as variable, and profile is a variable name. Inside key value, suppose I want to print only value of, I want to print only value of name. Okay, value of name. Okay, let's have a look here. Just print x. Okay, just print x. See, in this way it will printed. Okay, Ashok printed, right? Okay, suppose if I want to print is. Okay, let's give is. Okay, let's give is. It will print like this. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, in this way we have access items in the dictionary. Okay, next point. See, and also we have one more method is there, that is get method. Okay, that is get method. Okay, this also we have to try. Okay, see, get method means here just I am keeping get. Inside you have to enter key value. Okay, inside the get you have enter key value. Now the output will be print like this. Okay, suppose here I am printing job. Okay, here I am printing job. The training will be print as a output. Okay, I hope you understand friends this point also. The next point. Okay, the next point is the get keys. Okay, get keys means, see, the keys, suppose if you want to print all keys as a output. Okay, all keys as a output, not values. Okay, here I am saying just keys. See, the keys method will return a list of all keys in the dictionary, that is x dot this key. Okay, this is the method. Okay, this is the method. Let's have a look. Suppose, okay, suppose, see, just okay, just to see, I want to print only name is on job. Okay, name is on job. See, in this way it will printed. Okay, in this way it will printed. Okay, next point. Okay, the next point. See, suppose if you want to add any another item. Okay, if you want to add any one random item. Okay, like this, I will add for an example. For an example, see, uh, here. Okay, here I'm adding profile. Okay, here I want to add one value. Okay, here I want to add one value like this. See, profile. Okay, profile. Inside the profile I'm giving liking color. Okay, color I'm giving. Okay, my favorite color is green. Okay, that's why. Okay, here I'm taking green. Okay, green as a output. Now this value will be added. Okay, this value is also will be added to existing dictionary. Okay, see here the color. Okay, color is also added to existing dictionary. Okay, it will be add like this. Okay, it will be add like this. Okay, next see we have to see the next is the get values. Okay, get values. See, for get keys, we used keys method. Okay, likewise, for get values, we are using values method. See, the values method will return list of all values in the dictionary. Okay, all values in the dictionary like this. Okay, let's have a look. See, already we have here. Just I'm removing this. Just I'm removing this. Let's have a look. Instead of keys, you have to add values. Okay. Now the values will be printed. Okay. Previous keys printed, right? Likewise, values will be printed. Ashok 34 and training. Okay. If you want to add any other item, okay, if you want to add any other items, now the additional element will be printed. Okay, the element will be printed. Suppose if you want to add, okay, here I am what I'm saying. See, suppose if you want to change here, instead of color I am giving job. Okay, instead of color I am giving job, and this is seller. Or suppose any job, your wish. Okay, teacher. Okay, teacher I am giving. Okay, teacher I am giving. See, instead of training, teacher will be printed. Okay, instead of training, teacher will be printed. Suppose already if you enter any existing key, instead of in that existing key, the updated value will be printed. Okay, like this. Okay, if you want to any changes, if you want to any update values in case, the updated value print like this. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, let's do practice. You can easily understand the next concept. See, the already existing value, I checked this here. Like this, the list of values is a view of the dictionary, meaning that any changes done to the dictionary will be reflected in the values list. Okay, let's you can do practice. Already I tried previous. I already showed you. Let's do practice. The next value. Okay, any already with changes also. I already shown you. See, add a new item to the original dictionary and see that the value list gets the updated. Okay, already like this. Suppose here I am giving color. Okay, if you update any new key value page, color, now blue I'm giving. Okay, blue I'm giving. Let's have a look. See, like this. Okay, if you want to update any value like this, you can update like this. The next point. Okay, get items. Okay, suppose up to now you printed only keys or only values. Okay, now if you want to print, okay, if you want to print items means both. Okay, both uh, keys and values like this. Okay, this is the key and this is the value. Okay, if you want to print both keys and values like this, at the time we are using items method. Okay, items method like this. The items method will return each item in a dictionary as a triple as a list. Okay, like this. Okay, let's have a look. See, any if you want to change any items, okay, already we saw in keys and values like this. Okay, suppose any key is in dictionary or not. Okay, here we are using if condition. See, if model in, okay, if model in this dictionary. Okay, if you model in this dictionary. Okay, let's check it. Okay, see, now I'm removing up to here. See here, if name. Okay, if name in profile, if name in profile, print yes. Okay, print if it's having print s, then otherwise print no. Okay, then otherwise print no. Okay, let's have a look. See, like this. Okay, already name. Okay, name already existed. Okay, name key already existed, that's why s is there. Suppose instead of name I'm giving color. Okay, instead of name I'm giving color. Now No. Why? Because the color not there in the dictionary. Okay. You can do practice. You can easily understand. Okay. That's it for today, guys. I hope you understand. If you understand, please like and subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Okay. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much.